No one expects to leave their home and get into an accident, but unfortunately, they happen every day. From fender benders to major pileups, a collision can turn your world upside down, leaving you with injuries and financial hardship. But if you were taking care to pay attention to the safety of others, why should you have to bear the burden of another person's negligence? At the law offices of Brett C. Drouet, we don't think you should. In fact, we built our entire practice around supporting people who have been injured in accidents across Los Angeles County and the state of California. As your personal injury lawyer, we will work tirelessly to ensure that you receive the care and compensation that you deserve. Whether you have been injured in an auto accident, on the job, due to the negligence of a doctor, or a construction defect, the law offices of Brett C. Drouet are here to help. The level of professionalism and specialized experience provided by attorney Brett C. Drouet is unmatched in the Southern California area. So, call now for a free assessment or visit our website at www.brettinjurylawyer.com.